Recruitment Operations.
Thank you, Wendy, and good evening, everyone. Jonathan Lee's second year as Recruitment Partner to the EEF has proved to be a hugely positive one once again. We now support over 50 EEF members with our contract and permanent recruitment services, as well as our senior interim and search and selection divisions. We're witnessing a fantastic period for UK manufacturing businesses, with productivity breaking free of the shackles of 2008 and the exciting prospect of a rapidly changing skills requirement to drive industry forward. Exciting not only for your businesses, but for a generation of talent whose skills and capabilities will be essential. Skills such as accessing big data and really making it work for manufacturing, the development of automation, algorithms, artificial intelligence, digital engineering, and building integrated manufacturing value chains for the products of tomorrow. I'm convinced that this evening we've seen some of the future pioneers of UK manufacturing, as I'm sure you'll agree. It's been a real privilege to witness some of the incredible work being done by the young talent we've had up here this evening, just as it has been for our representatives through the regional events throughout the year. Speaking to our own team at Jonathan Lee, as well as the obvious technical commercial skills that we've seen, it was extremely impressive to see the engagement of the families of many of the award winners and nominees that we've seen tonight, who of course have taken no small part in their achievements. So a big thank you to them for their special contribution as well. In addition to the significant demand for permanent hires during 2017, we've also seen a positive increase in the desire to engage with professional contractors, providing an expert skill set at the right time for the required duration. As well as the obvious advantage of getting the job done, this resource can be an invaluable source of knowledge in the people development process to increase the capabilities of trainees in a cost-effective and flexible way. We've also had the pleasure of working closely with the EEF at its impressive technology hub in recent months. The workforce upskilling service that you as members will benefit from is another great example of the forward-thinking approach being taken by the EEF members in the UK manufacturing sector. We congratulate you for your efforts, look forward to seeing the hub develop further to the benefit of its members, apprentices and the EEF. We continue to be proud partners of the EEF and would like to congratulate everyone on their achievements this year. Well done.
And straight on to our highly commended. It was encouraging, our judges thought, to see HR and business come up with a sensible model of collaboration that results in more investing and a value-added apprenticeship model. The company has also gained support from equipment suppliers to provide the latest equipment for use in their apprenticeship programme. So our highly commended John is...
Tata Steel.